guys, this is Harmeet Kaur from Divine Healing, and this is the full moon reading. Okay, and there are two cards. Just close your eyes and ask guidance related to any situation into your life. The card with the crystal is what we need to release from our life or from the year 2020 so that we can move ahead in the year 2021 with a renewed passion and with a renewed outlook. So the first card is that what you need to release at this point of time in your life, and if you release and work out on it. The second card is that what you need to bring into your life to make your coming year or your situation, whatever situation you have guidance, ask guidance for, to fulfill it or materialize it in the way you want. So the first card is, see what a beautiful card. It's time to release negativity. This is full moon in Scorpio. So the guidance from this card is that you need to release any negative situations in your life. It can be any situation, person, or any even a relationship. Anything that is not serving you well, you need to release at this point of time. And there is no use lingering along to things and taking it to the coming year. It can be anything related to the year 2020. As we have all seen, it has been a stressful year for most of the people. So at this full night, even the moon and the card in the energies are guiding you that you need to let go of anything in your life that is making you negative. It can be any situation, it can be any person, or even it can be any relationship. And as you do so, and this is what you need to work on, or you need to if you need to get your desires manifest, this is the thing that you need to do in the situation or in the coming year. Be bold and make the first move. This is the cardinal moon. So the guidance over here is that any situation you want to get results, or you want to solve any situations, you need to take the first move for that. Nothing will fall in your lap until and unless you make a genuine effort to achieve whatever you want. Then only you would be able to achieve that. And for that you need to make the first move. If suppose it is something related to a relationship, or you have a misunderstanding with somebody in your life, not necessarily it is related to, it can be your spouse, it can be your cousin, or even a close friend. So the guidance over here is that keep your egos behind, keep your grudges behind, and just take a step forward and make a move to sort out things in your life. And if we take it related to any our career or any work related thing, so the guidance is that in anything, any project, any new thing you want to start in your life, just instead of keeping just thinking about it or just planning about it, it's the time that you make the move so that you can materialize whatever you want in your life. So, and this is also a timeless reading. It is done on a full moon, but whenever you see this video, you can take the guidance regarding any situations in your life. Thank you so much, guys. If the video resonates with you, do like and subscribe my channel Divine Healing, and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload any video, you get a notification about it. And for any personalized session, you can contact me through my page Divine Healing, or through my number 9837770092, as I do most of work online on calls. And basically who I am a tarot angel and a Lenormand card reader, a crystal therapist. I give remedies for various issues in your life through crystals number, and pendulum healings. So stay tuned, and if you like the video, you can even comment in the comment box, and all the links related to my page and my charges are shared in the description box. Thank you so much guys, and wish you a very happy and prosperous new year.